Well, hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jules Smith Paints. I haven't made a video in quite a while. I've been painting. And I've been working on some projects, including a new product available on my website and on Cratejoy. It's an Art Stationery subscription box. It's called the Art Card Club box. It's filled with some of my paintings on blank cards. The first orders have been shipped and have arrived at their destination, so let's unbox this and see what's inside. Say hello to your Art Card Club box. Oh, and thanks very much for stopping by. Spreading kindness one card at a time, making it easy and fun to share a splash of art, and a kind word is what this monthly box is designed to do. I've included a fine line pen that makes writing a note or doodling really fun. No more looking around for a pen to create a handwritten note when the mood strikes. I really like this pen. It's fun to write with. I think you'll like it too. Included in each box is a newsletter with profiles of the stamp art and artists and the prints of the painting inside the box. I was thinking the next video I'll make on stamp art and artists. Would you find that interesting? I've written a welcome letter to you with some writing tips and inspiration. I also included some half-sheet lined writing paper in case you want to write a little longer letter to include in your card. Fold it in half, it tucks into the card and envelope easily. The highlight of these boxes are the 5 curated forever stamps. This month I've selected the stunning abstract landscapes by artist George Morrison and Express Coffee stamps by Terry Allen. To embellish your envelope or water bottle or just to give to your grandchildren, there's some fun stickers and seals included in each box every month. They're fun. And they'll be different every month. This month's art reveal is an oil landscape seascape painting I just finished, where the mountains meet the sea. This beach and highway road holds some of my best memories. It's where I spent many days in my teens. We called it Rincon, but it's actually Feria Beach in Ventura County. The second of 5 cards included is a print of a painting called Santa Paula Canyon, one of my most popular landscapes. It depicts the morning drive up Santa Paula Canyon towards Ojai, just past Mupu along Santa Paula Creek. And the print of a painting called Cup of Kindness is another favorite card, and I chose it to go along with the espresso stamps in the box. Everyone loves coffee, and this card with an espresso stamp would be fun to send and receive. And this is my first birthday card. I designed it using a still life oil painting of some brown eggs on a wood panel. Added the words, "Wishing you an excellent birthday" is the message. A little corny. But you always need a birthday card. And this is my first thank you card. A simple calligraphy design on craft cardstock with matching envelope. There's always someone to thank, so I thought one of these in the box would be useful. I included a small calendar to help keep track of whatever you need to. Aqua cardstock with dried flowers in orange tones. Wow, lots of Wednesdays in May. And finally is the surprise gift. You'll have to order to find out what's inside. I sealed it with a wax seal that says "For You." I just love the wax stamp and the embellishments. Well, that's your May 2023 Art Card Club box, first monthly inaugural box. And remember, When you go to purchase these, you can choose your style. If you like seascapes or landscapes or a variety, you can click on that option. Do you like a white border or no border? You can decide. Here's the popular Emerald Aqua Wave that I use in the design for the wraparound on the outside label of the box. It's from a pastel painting I did years ago. All the cards are wrapped in an eco-friendly plant-based sleeve, completely biodegradable, no plastic. So, you ready to write a note? Think about a quality of the person you're writing. Tell them. They'll be motivated by your observation. Remember a funny or special memory you shared. Write about it, about that time, and maybe say you're looking forward to making more memories or something less corny. And it's not just for women. My son was encouraged to write and send notes through the mail while at camp, before and during college, all his years. He inspired the other young men at the camp to do the same. And shout out to Stephen, one of our subscribers. He's a great writer, and write something like, "Happy spring, I hope this card brightens your day." That's an idea. You don't have to say a lot, just a little bit of art and a few words. And don't worry about your penmanship. People don't care. They just want to get a message from you. Always free shipping, and you can order the May box anytime until May 25th, and then your order will, if you order after that, it'll come in the first week of June. Brighten someone's day. You know, research reports that 94% of people 18 and up said they love receiving physical letter in the mail from someone they know. Get a box and start sending the love. The surprise of receiving an unexpected note, paired with the suspense of opening it, the thoughtfulness of a sender, are other reasons why people love getting mail. Or display them. This is my cousin's shop in Georgia. Or frame them. Put them in a frame. And they're small, but there's a standard size frame that'll fit. Frame a few and hang a little collection on the wall. Write a note. Send a birthday card. Send a thank you card this month. Frame some. Save the rest to begin your art stationery collection. You'll always have something on hand. Order the May box today until May 24th. 30% off the first box. And then after May 25th, we will send out the June box, which ships the first week of June. The next video, I'm going to feature the stamp art and artist profiles, just to let you know, interesting artists, interesting information. And on the website, the spring sale continues. 30% off everything in the shop. All the prints, all the cards, and the boxes. Well, it's time for me to get back to the easel. A new painting will be featured in the June Art Card Club subscription box, so I better get painting. And thanks so much for stopping by and watching the unboxing, and considering subscribing to the Art Card Club subscription box.